All right, I've scared a lot of you this summer. I don't have skid plates on this thing. That is my transfer case. It's pretty well tucked in there. I did have to lower it down just a little bit to get the front drive lines in the right angle. And so you can see if I kind of zoom back here from behind the truck, it's pretty vulnerable, but just the little edge of it. So I don't think I need a very big skid plate. All right, let me show you what I've got. I spent about 30 minutes making a cardboard template. And I've got the cardboard flush against there, and I've got some creases cut into it to make a bend. And when this is done, it'll be something like that. I'm gonna intentionally leave this long right here so that when I'm done bending the actual steel, I can trim that to fit. I'm gonna put some bend marks in it and take it over to the bender. All right, I've got the skid plate mocked in place. Here's another shot of the skid plate from the front. All right, it's all done.